Ladies and gentlemen, it is our highest honor to invite the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, for his address, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar, Right Honorable Baroness Chapman, Minister of State for International Development, United Kingdom, Honorable Federal Ministers, Mr. Harun Akhtar, NC, SAFC, Lieutenant General Sarfraz, Excellencies, Government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning. It's really a great pleasure to be here at this launching ceremony of our regulatory reforms in Pakistan, which has been demand of the people of this country from decades. As I speak, there is a whole lot of burden on potential investors, industrialists, businessmen, and every walk of life who have been suffering immensely at the hands of very cumbersome rules and regulations and procedures. And that had really given a severe blow to our overall economic environment. Ladies and gentlemen, when we took over the reins of this government back in March 2024, our economy was in a very difficult situation. We were at the verge of financial default. Our inflation was galloping and policy rate was crippling. So one could not imagine of any kind of investment in Pakistan, let alone FDIs, and the business in the country was in a turmoil. But we did not lose hope. Of course, these were very scary challenges, right looking into our faces through outstanding teamwork, excellent planning and untiring efforts. I can say today with a sense of relief and sense of achievement that Alhamdulillah, Pakistan is economically out of woods. Our mega indicators are wonderful. You must have heard this news about IMF approving Pakistan's $1.2 billion tranche. You have to spill your blood and sweat to achieve your targets and convert your dreams into reality. And this was the commitment, unwavering determination to walk in that very difficult path in the last 1.5 years. And here we are. And today, Alhamdulillah, we are now discussing how to now move forward and grow our economy, how to have foreign investment in very, very attractive areas of mutual benefits for countries in Pakistan, agriculture, IT, mines and minerals. We have a very young population, youth bulge. We are offering them vast opportunities for vocational training, and with the international certification, they will find productive jobs not only in Pakistan but abroad, making Pakistan richer and prosperous. Now this regulatory framework launch, I think, is a quantum jump, and this will facilitate our business community, our industry, our agriculture, FDIs from Europe, from Far East, from Middle East. And this will also take care of immense waste of time and resources, which leads to corruption and nepotism. So I think today is a great day that we are able to now announce and let the nation know, 240 million people, that the government is fully aware of the challenge of the day and they are ready to walk with them with the speed they want us to walk. And then, of course, run, because you cannot run without learning how to walk. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to comment on this great team of federal government and, of course, in coordination with provincial governments. And in this behalf, I would like to thank British government, Prime Minister Starmer, Baroness, yourself and your team, and of course our High Commissioner, and of course Harun Akhtar, a very dynamic politician come businessman, and of course all those officers and politicians sitting here and who are not here in this room, who have made this happen, along with International Development UK. And I have to tell you very frankly and very honestly that UK has been a great partner in the progress of Pakistan. Like many other friends of Pakistan in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, UAE, now we are having a wonderful relation with the United States of America, and I think we are looking forward to a wonderful time of mutual cooperation. UK has been a wonderful partner, and their focus on social sector has been outstanding in healthcare, education, skill development, and I am a witness to this story of transformation for at least 13 years in Punjab, when I was serving Punjab with my best abilities and capacities. And whether it was primary education, if it was primary health, we completely transformed Punjab's social sector, and I have to give full credit not only to the officials of and the politicians of Punjab at that point in time, but to DFID and today's FCDO. So thank you, Baroness. Thank you for your wonderful support, your government, all governments in fact, and thank you, High Commissioner, for this wonderful contribution. Finally, I would like to mention here, to operationalize this landmark reform, I have in program at lightning speed so that the people of Pakistan can feel the change, that the change is coming not through words but through actual action on the ground, from Peshawar to Karachi, whether it's agriculture, whether it's health, whether it's education, whether it's vocational training, whether it's industry, commerce, exports, whatever under the sun, we have to really transform with our complete commitment and unwavering dedication. I'd like to thank you all once again, and thank you, Baroness, for visiting Pakistan, and this would be your first visit for many to come. Please convey my very warm regard to Prime Minister Starmer. I wish him best of luck in negotiating peace in Ukraine. God bless you. Thank you.
नेशनल रेगुलेटरी रिफॉर्म्स की तकरीब जारी है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ की जानिब से अहम खिताब किया जा रहा था। उन्होंने कहा कि मुल्क अमली तौर पर माली दिवालियापन के दहाने पर खड़ा था। हमारी हुकूमत ने अनथक मेहनतों के बाद इसको दिवालिया होने से बचाया है, महंगाई पर काबू पाया है। पॉलिसी रेट भी मईशत के हवाले से काफ़ी बेहतर कर रहे हैं। मुल्क में कारोबारी सरगर्मियाँ जमूद का शिकार थी। जब हमने इस गवर्नमेंट को टेक ओवर किया तो उसके बाद जितने मसाइल थे वो फौरी तौर पर इस गवर्नमेंट की जानिब से हल किए गए हैं। इत्मीनान है कि अल्लाह पाकिस्तान माशी तौर पर बहरान से निकल चुका है। उनकी जानिब से इस पर अल्लाह का शुक्र भी अदा किया गया है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।